Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can pay your SBI life insurance policy premium payment using TEZ. So let's get started. Open your TEZ account or TEZ app in the mobile phone, and you can see an option called payments in the below menu. Click on new, which I've highlighted, and you can see various options like bill payments, account number. Below that there is some option called suggested businesses. Out of that, the first one is SBI life insurance, which I've recently used. Otherwise you can click on more and you can select SBI life insurance from that. So I'll just select SBI life insurance, and it says no accounts linked, so we'll just get started on add our account. So I have pulled up my policy number. So just keep your policy number handy. So enter your details. Yeah, it has already fetched the details of your policy name. So it's asking you to review. It says payment may take up to 3 working days to reflect in your SBI life insurance account. So it's up to, mostly it will be before only. So I'll click on link account. So automatically the bill is fetched, 2381, which I have to pay, and I'll click on pay bill, and it's asking me to proceed to pay. So I'll click on proceed to pay, enter your UPI password. That's it. Waiting confirmation. The money has been debited from my account. So I paid on today. Bill payment processed. So SBI life insurance may take up to 3 days to reflect this payment in your account. So this way you can pay your SBI life insurance policy using Google TEZ. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.
You say you wanna try, but you never